Yeah, or troll coloring book. But make sure it's definitely sponsored by Mark Zuckerberg, AE, i.e. Facebook. Make sure it's sponsored by them. It has to be an official Facebook Trolls coloring book. Pink ones that I'm wearing in my second hole. They go from white or clear to pink. Sometimes music, though, can stress you too, depending on the song. You need to try coloring. I'm telling you, you get lost in the headspace of it. Well, I'm so sorry, Tyler, that you and your wife are complete idiots. I'm sure that the Coast Guard rushed right out to your boat, caught on some seaweed. Man, you know what? Hey, that's like the best one yet, though. It's the best one yet that the ring got caught on seaweed and your wife didn't drown. Like, you had time to literally call the Coast Guard and then show up to your boat or wherever you were out in the water and rescue your wife before she drowned. Wow. Superman really must be in the Coast Guard then. He must be, because, you'd have to be able to, fly at the speed of light. And then I'm sure, when the Coast Guard got there, they probably wanted to just drown her themselves for calling them out there for removing an elastic stretched band ring. Moron. Freaking idiots. Trolls. Bye, Tyler. Off to Block Troll Island. Dork. Cassie! Check it out. Pay attention. Look. They all change. Look. They all change, Cassie. That's the green, Miss Donna Lee. They all change. Let's see if this one does. I don't know if this one does because it's already clear. This is the purple. Yep, it changes too. And then here's the blue.